Want to know how StreamSuite works and how to download it? Make sure you watch this video as I'll go into detail and explain it as simply as I can on how to use it. So let's get straight on with the video. So to start, before we download anything, what you want to do is, if you have Atom Vertical where they had just a separate vertical scene, make sure you go into your files, right? So you'll have your files, and then go to wherever your OBS file is, go to OBS plugins, and whichever size OBS you installed, go to uninstall Atom multi-stream and Atom vertical. It'll just say Atom right there. So just all you need to do is click on it and just delete it, and then refresh, shut down your OBS, bring it back up, and it'll be fine. But before we bring it back up, we need to install the Atom StreamSuite. So now, as you can see, I have uninstalled Atom Vertical 8 and Atom Multi-Stream. You can't see it anywhere. Just check your docs, see if it's on there. As you can see, it's not. So let's get straight on to where you can download Atom StreamSuite. So what you want to do is go to Google Chrome and type in Atom. That's all you need to type in, because it'll pop up on the first link basically. And you'll see a little video. This is what Atom StreamSuite will look like once you've installed it. So let me show you where it is. So it'll come up right on the first screen. Press download, follow the steps, but make sure it's in your OBS files, otherwise it will not pop up. So we are here. Obviously mine has glitches, but you know, we will work with it. I'll put the link in the description for the Atom StreamSuite. So as you can see, let's just get rid of the chat and we can redock it. It'll come up with all the chats here. It'll come up with whether you do Twitch, YouTube, Kick, all of the platforms you stream on will pop up on here, and activity of follows and subscriptions on your stream activity basically. Stream info, you can do your titles, tags, anything, categories. That's basically self-explanatory. And here is where your platforms will be. So you just click add, add output, stream, and then you can click any of these. If you have a TikTok stream key, you can use this, and it's basically just do the URL, add your stream key, done. That's it. And then make sure you click it to main or Atom Vertical, whatever you've named the output. Here's your sources, controls. It's basically the same as normal if you add the normal Atom Vertical or normal Atom, and live. So this is your build scene, and then this is your live scene. So if I go to docs and add the Atom Vertical dead quick, put it to the side, and here you can see it says scenes and sources. If you don't see this, just uninstall it and reinstall it and it should pop up. If not, go to the Discord of Atom and they'll help you out. So as you can see, this is a scene. What you want to do to add a scene, add a source, is click add, and then that's another scene. And to add your normal stuff, all you do is say I want to click that, click an image. Hold on, let's do another one. Add media source. We'll just do an ending screen, for example. Put it there, lock it in place. It's just like normal Atom Vertical. That's it. And also, when you do stream vertically, make sure the canvas is vertical and not on main. And that's basically Atom StreamSuite. I've used it, it's pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to say it still is in the beta, so I'd maybe wait a little bit. But if you don't want to wait, that's basically the Atom StreamSuite. I'm waiting for it to be fully developed, all good and working. And then, yeah, highly recommend if you want to use this, if you want all your scenes in one. Make sure if you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll reply. And yeah, that's easy as that. And yeah, that's it. And then once you've done all your scenes and stuff, all you do is click on the stream button on your output, and then that's it, done. I'm not sure if there's a link, if you can link all of these stream buttons. If there is, let me know. So yeah, that's basically StreamSuite. It's that simple. It's just basically a glorified version of the normal OBS, and Atom Vertical just put into. So yes guys, that was Atom StreamSuite all put together in a little tutorial showing you around what it is. I've used it, it's pretty good. It obviously is still in the beta version, so they're probably still tweaking a few things. So if you have any glitches, either uninstall it and reinstall it, or go to the Atom Discord. I will link them down below for the download link and the Discord link for them. And let me know if you've used it before and what you think of it. So that's at the end of the video. Obviously make sure you subscribe and like if you want more tutorials like this one. And see you in the next video.